Hi, this is Brandon from Talk Tech, back here again with another video. Alright, so today I'm going to be covering installing Google Chrome in Linux Mint 20. The reason I decided to make this video was because when they released the Linux Mint 20, they decided to go ahead and remove the Snap repositories as a means of installing applications. So what that means is that we no longer have that simple method. Now we kind of have to do things in a workaround method. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're actually going to go ahead and set up the Google Chrome repository in this video to allow us to pull everything directly from the repository, which will make things so much easier as far as getting updates and making sure everything stays up to date with the latest updates and versions of the program. So let's go ahead and start with doing our old friend sudo apt update. It's going to go ahead and update our repositories. All right, perfect. Just go ahead and ignore what that last part is. It should get updated here when we run a different command. So let's go ahead and now actually add the Google Chrome repository. We're also going to be setting up and adding the key, Google signing key, so we can go ahead and utilize that repository. To go ahead and paste, we're going to go ahead and just do a Control Shift V. I actually already had these commands written out just to make sure that I got everything correct. Let's go ahead and it updates here and it says OK. We're using that wget command to be able to go ahead and pull the repository and signing key directly from that website, and then it's also pulling that key with that apt key add command there. That pipe symbol, basically it's going to take the output of the first side of the pipe and send it over to the second side of the pipe. The results will go over to the second side of the pipe. Now let's go ahead and actually set up the repository. We're going to go ahead and use the echo and t commands. Basically what the echo does is it is exactly what you think it does. Is it's just going to basically say, hey, this. And again, we have that pipe there, or that vertical line, so it's going to go ahead and send the output of that over to the second side into the t command. Basically what the t command is going to do is it's going to take the echo that we did in the first half and it's going to go ahead and write it to that file that you see listed there. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, we'll do a Control Shift V. We'll go ahead and hit that, and bada bing, bada boom, it updates properly. Now what we need to do is we need to do another sudo apt update. And just, again, ignore that file that it lists there. I'm not going to go back and update the file. I'm going to go ahead and just continue with the video. That's not something that you should see in your videos unless you made the same typo that I did. What happened was the first time that I input this this string of commands here is I put a double T at the end for some reason. I'm not sure how that happened. And it just, yeah, it's just ignoring that because it doesn't recognize that extension. So don't worry about it. Don't stress about it. Let's go ahead and actually now go ahead and pull the most recent version of Chrome directly from that repository. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a sudo apt install. We're going to put our Y there, Google -Chrome, and then a stable. Because they also they have stable versions. They also have beta versions, which are going to be more like your, maybe they're trying new features and things like that. So keep in mind that any beta versions may not all functionality may be working appropriately. So I always go with the stable version, and we're going to hit our enter button to go ahead and get this installed, and it's going to do its thing. So give it just a minute here. This is a pretty quick install for a program. And as I've done in my previous videos, I am running this Linux Mint version within a virtual machine, just so I can go ahead and actually illustrate this to you. All right, again, we get that updated there. That output there, so just again ignore that. Now we should be able to go ahead and just type in Google -Chrome stable. And there we go. We can see that it's actually launching now. That's how you would actually launch it from the command line. I'm going to go ahead and click no to those. All right, perfect. So we've got Google Chrome there, and we've got it here in our menu. Google Chrome is ready for you on your Linux Mint 20. All right, so if you like the content that I'm making here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below letting me know you like it. If you dislike it, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know you dislike it and hit that thumbs down button. If you want to stop by and just say hi or have any feedback or any suggestions, go ahead and list that down in the comments below. I really want to thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.